Can you see on the Windows camera where I've got a space up above my head, so I've got enough space there, and also I've got the grid lines. I'm going to talk you through how you get the grid lines to make your video look more professional with the rule of thirds. So if you go up there, here you've got the brightness. You can turn the brightness up, down. If I go up there to settings, I can go to camera settings. So show advanced controls for photos and videos, and I've got the rule of thirds there. So when I press the whole camera, start capturing a video, and in here you've got all the other settings as well. And video settings. So you can set up the quality, stuff like that. I've also got, what I tend to do is once I've created a video, I clean up the audio in Clipchamp. So this video at the end show you where you can do that with noise suppression. So if you found value in this video, if you like it, please click like the subscribe button to watch another video. If you learnt something today, carry on and watch another video and learn a bit more. Or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.